For today, we're gonna make a big ass piece of pig's neck. Ooh, and my dog likes it. Ooh. So, we're having people coming over. And what do you want to feed them? For me, a big ass piece of meat. Yes, really big ass piece of meat, tenderized, slowly cooked with a lot of flavors. I think that's perfect. Oh, she also thinks that's perfect. So for today we've got ourselves a pig's neck. 2 days marinating and slowly prepared on the barbecue. It's gonna take a couple of hours, like 3 hours, but in the end, the result, it will melt on your tongue. So how am I doing that? How will I make sure that it will melt on your tongue? I'll show you. Here we go. So for today, a big piece of pig neck, and you can see all the fat rendered through the flesh. Really gonna be a delicious thing. In about 2 days we will have people coming over. I want to smoke it, I want to slow cook it. So the thing to do, for me the perfect way to do this is to get my rub, get it in there 2 days before I want to prepare the meat, so all the flavors will go into the meat. To start, we're gonna rub it in with mustard. So I got some French mustard. Grab yourself a handful. I'm using a glove. I don't want everything messed up. And rub it in. I'm gonna grab some rub. And we're gonna rub it in. And because of the thickness of the meat, we can use some extra rub. It's no big deal. It will only help get more flavors in there. If you want to have this rub, I also made a video about it, so you can find everything I put in there. Give it a little press, turn it around, a little press, turn it around, and as you can see, you can use the remaining rub to get the sides nicely covered. The dog also smelling it. And this will stay in the fridge for about 2 days. So a couple of days later, 2 days later, it's Monday at the moment, totally wrapped it in some foil, cut away the foil. We already lost some juices. There we go, you can see the meat really nicely marinated. Yeah, whatever we're gonna do, it's gonna be a mess. So the meat really nicely done. Time to go for the barbecue. Yeah, first we need to set up the barbecue for some slow cooking.
Time to set up the barbecue. I got myself 2 heat protectors. Then a dripping pan is just like a tray covered with aluminum foil. Cast iron on there. The big piece of meat in the middle. Gonna add some smoking wood, some apple wood. Got 2 pieces. Don't use only 1 piece. Nicely 2 pieces in the middle. Then I also got some whiskey barrels, smoking flavors stuff. Add it all in the barbecue and let it smoke at about 80 to 90 degrees. After a couple of hours, it will look like this. and it's time to take it off. Now, really important, let it rest for 1 hour. Cover it with aluminum foil. All the flavors will set, and your piece of meat won't leak too much moist when you got it rested. And when you're ready to eat, as you can see, put it on the fire, give it a nice little burn, and after like 10-15 minutes you're ready to eat. Look at all those juices coming out of that meat. This will really melt on your tongue. There we go, let's give it a taste. Nice piece, melting on your tongue. And this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We're gonna see each other next time.